Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you that what products I have in my professional makeup kit, and I have divided this video in 3 parts. First part will be of base product, second part will be of eye product, and the third part will be of lipstick and the tools I have. So yes, if you guys want to know, then let's jump into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start with the moisturizers I have. I have 2 moisturizers with me. First one is this Amaryllis moisturizer. I use this moisturizer for the dry skin. This moisturizer is too good. And the second moisturizer I have is this Aroma moisturizer. I use this moisturizer for the combination skin, and usually many people have combination skin only. So yes, I have this 2 moisturizer. Now coming to the primer, I have only one primer with me, that is Color Bar primer. It is silicone based primer and this primer goes well with all skin types. So I have this primer with me. And then now coming to the concealer, I have these 3 concealers from Too Faced. That first one is way too dark shade. This one is Maple. And the second one is Almond, this one is light, and the third one I have is the Golden Beige. And what I do is, like, I mismatch all the 3 shades to build up the shade I want. And after that I have Milani concealer in the shade light, and I freaking love this concealer. Like, it is Milani Conceal Plus Perfect, Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer, and I love this. Sometimes I use this concealer as a foundation when I want natural base or natural makeup for me. And then I have this concealer from L'Oreal, and I love this concealer so much. Like, I have heard that it is a dupe of Tarte Shape. I never used Tarte Shape, so I don't know whether it is or not, but it gives a full coverage and it is very good. And then I have this concealer from, let me check that which one is this, like where it has gone. Yes, so the next one I have, so the next I have is this Forever 52 concealer. I use this concealer to cover up the pigmentation. And then I have these 2 concealer from the Swiss Beauty as well. This one is Swiss Beauty in the shade 03, which is my shade, and then I have Swiss Beauty in the shade 06, which is way too dark. But I don't use these 2 concealers for my clients because these 2 concealers oxidize way too quickly. Like, this oxidize in 4 to 5 hours, and I want my clients makeup to long last for at least 10 to 12 hours. So I don't use these concealer for my makeup, like for my clients makeup. सॉरी अगर एंगल में थोड़ा सा भी चेंज आया है, क्योंकि आई डोंट नो कि व्हाट हैज़ हैपेंड विद द लाइट. सो आई वॉज चेकिंग दैट्स वाई मे बी शायद लाइक एंगल में चेंज आया होगा. So yes, we were talking about the concealer. So the next one I have is this K Beauty concealer. I love this one as well. Like, that is not the wow concealer I can say, but it is the good one. Like, it's a good one. Like, I don't see any wow wala factor in this one. Like, I have seen wow wala factor in Milani one and in L'Oreal one and in Swiss Beauty one also. Like, Swiss Beauty का क्या है, concealer अच्छा है प्लस बजट में है. दैट्स वाई देयर इज अ वाव फैक्टर कि आपको इतने प्राइस में एक अच्छा कंसीलर मिल जाता है फॉर द पर्सनल यूज. सो इस कंसीलर में ऐसा कोई वाव वाला फैक्टर नहीं है, बट ये बुरा भी नहीं है. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट, लाइक व्हाट आई वांट टू से. And now coming to the foundation, first foundation I have is from Fit Me. I have this foundation in the shade 125 and 330. I used to have this foundation in 310 as well, but वो अभी खत्म हो गया है, so I throw it. And what I do, like usually, जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है, मैं उसको मिसमैच करती हूँ और फिर शेड बना देती हूँ जो मुझे चाहिए. So the first foundation I have is this Fit Me. This is the sheer coverage foundation. So when the person has combination skin, or when the person want very natural finish, so at that time I use this one foundation. And then I have 2 foundation from Maybelline Super Stay as well. Today in this look I have used that one only. When I want my base to be matte, or when the person has too much oily skin, like At that time I use these two foundation. I have this foundation in the shade first. The light one shade name is 112 Natural Ivory and the dark one is 312 Golden. So when I want my base to be matte, at that time I use this foundation. And then I have foundation, L'Oreal base foundation. When I want my base to be dewy, at that time I use these foundation. This is from L'Oreal. So I have this two shade. First one is like the middle shade, that is not way too dark, but this one is way too light. So the middle shade was like is golden beige and the light shade is ivory. So yes, when I want my base to be dewy, I use this foundation. And then I have Estee Lauder foundation. I have this foundation also in two shade. Mostly light वाला ज़्यादा यूज़ में आता है, so I have big bottle of this. But जो dark वाला है वो बहुत कम यूज़ में आता है, so I have small bottle of this one. So the light shade is 1N1 Ivory Nude and the dark one is, where it is written, it is 4N2 spiced scent, sorry. So I have this two foundation for brides. Like when I have brides, I use this foundation. But then too I work according to the skin, like what type of skin bride has, according to that I work on the skin. So this one is very good foundation for the brides, for the personal use. When you are going for your special day, you can use this two foundation. So the next foundation I have is from Smashbox. This is in the shade 1.2 Skin Tone Fair Light Undertone Warm. So when I want कि थोड़ा सा हाइड्रेशन मिले बेस में, so I mix this foundation with all the foundation, like जो भी स्किन पे जा रहा है and I want कि थोड़ा सा हाइड्रेशन की नीड है स्किन पे, so at that time I mix this one. Like what I do first, I need to understand what type of skin my client has and according to that only I need to work on that skin. Like I mismatch all my product to build the product I want for my skin, I want for my client's skin. According to that I work. And now coming to the concealer, like yes, we have done with the concealer, we are done with the foundation. Now we are coming to the compact powder and the loose powder. So I have K Beauty का loose powder in the shade Banana, I think. Let me check. I don't know यार कि कौन सा shade है ये, but let me check. Do we have shade name on the packaging? Like I cannot find that, but I will mention in the DB. If you want to check that out, you can go and check that out. Okay, so now coming to the compact powder, I have these three compact powder from MAC. The shade is the shade is NC40. This one is medium shade, and then I have, like, this is how the medium shade looks like. And then I have the light shade, that is NC15. So this is how the light shade looks like. And then we have the dark shade, which is NC45, and I use this shade as a contour also. Like I can use this shade as a contour also, and sometimes I use also. There is no bad point in using compact powder as a contour. And then now coming to the blush, contour, highlight and all of the other products. So now I am going to talk about first blushes I have. So first I am going to talk about the liquid blush, and then I will move to the powder blush. So the first liquid blush I have is the O2O liquid blush. I always say Too Faced liquid blush, I don't know why, and I'm so sorry for that. This is in the pink undertone. So when I want my brides to have pink cheeks, I use this blush. And this blush is not way too pigmented. Like अगर आप इसको ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से ब्लेंड करोगे तो बहुत ही कम पिगमेंट आएगा, बट अगर आप इसको फिंगर से या ब्रश से ब्लेंड करोगे तो इसका पिगमेंटेशन अच्छा आ जाता है. And then I have next blush I have is from Acne. It is not pink blush. It is like in the red undertone, in the warm undertone, but it is in the cool undertone. So this is how the active blush looks like, and this is pigmented. Like when you will blend it with the help of your fingers, it is pigmented and it is very great as well. And the third one I have is from K Beauty. I love that blush. In today's video also I have used that blush, and let me show you. Okay, so the next blush I was talking about is the K Beauty blush, and in today's look also I have used this blush. It is in the matte side. Like whenever I want my base to be matte, I use this blush, and this is seriously way too pigmented. Like it is pigmented. It is very great blush, I must say. And this one is very like what I'm like, again and again I'm saying the same word, but seriously it is the great blush. So I have these three blushes in the, like we can say, in the liquid form. It is not a liquid one, it is a someone like we can say creamy side. We can say it is of the creamy side, and these two blushes are of in the liquid side. Okay, so now coming to the powder blushes, I have three palettes with me. I don't have single blushes at all. So yes, so the first palette I have is this iMagic blush palette. It has all the 6 tones. Like whenever I want to work with, like whenever I'm working with the different types of skin tones, I use this blush palette. And I seriously love this blush palette because this blush doesn't have shimmer particles in it, and I want my blush to be matte. But whenever my clients want to be their blush to be a little shiny, so at that time I use this blush palette. This blush palette is from In Color, and this blush palette is also great. I use this blush in my skin, like on my skin, when I want, like when I'm going with a no makeup look. So at that time I'm not using the highlighter, right? So at that time I use this blush because I want a little bit shine over on this side. So I use this brush palette. And the next one I have is this one is from Revolution. I love this blush palette, but what happened is like इसको धीरे धीरे लेके वर्क करना पड़ता है. सो अमंग दीज थ्री आई लव दिस वन सो मच, iMagic. बट इस ब्लश में एक शेड है, this shade. I love this shade so much. Like I can create different types of eye look with this shade, and I have created also. And this blush palette only for this, like ये जो शेड है ना, आई लव दिस शेड सो मच. और बाकी अगर ब्लश की बात करें तो दे आर ग्रेट, बट उसको आपको धीरे धीरे वर्क करना पड़ेगा. अगर आपने एक साथ प्रोडक्ट लेके उसको लगा दिया तो उसको ब्लेंड करना, उसको हटाने में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग जाएगा. So yes, I have these three blush palettes with me. Okay, so now coming to the highlighter. First highlighter I have is this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is how it looks. And ये जो highlighter है mostly ये dark skin tone के लिए use किया जाता है. And whenever I'm going to create warm colors like warm eye looks, at that time I use this highlighter. And then I have this Becca highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop. I love this highlighter so much. Like whenever I use this highlighter, it gives a different type of shine on the face. I love this highlighter so much. But ये टूटा हुआ है, so I cannot show you like this. This is how the products look like. This is how it looks like. ये पूरा टूट गया था, but I use this so much. और इसमें से मतलब okay, so again something happened with the phone की स्टोरेज जो है वो फुल हो गई थी. पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है, मेरे अंदर पंजाबी का टोन पता नहीं कहाँ से आ रहा है. सो यस, पता नहीं क्या हो गया था, पता नहीं तो नहीं, स्टोरेज फुल हो गया था तो मैं उसको क्लीन कर रही थी. सो वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द हाईलाइटर. सो द लास्ट हाईलाइटर आई हैव इज फ्रॉम Dior, एंड इट लुक्स सो वाव. लेट मी शो यू. ये ओपन ही नहीं हो रहा है मुझसे अभी. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. इट टोटली डिपेंड्स कि मैं कौन सा लुक क्रिएट कर रही हूँ. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट आई विल यूज दिस हाईलाइटर. येस, फॉर द कॉन्टोर आई हैव दिस शुगर का कॉन्टोर एज वेल. आई हैव बोथ द शेड्स विथ मी, शुगर वाले. And then I have this Forever 52 cream contour palette. It has concealer, corrector and the contour, but I only use the contour part because I don't like to use cream concealers on my clients and on myself also. But I have made one short video in which I have used only and only cream products, so you can go and check that out. अभी तक तो वो शायद नहीं, आगे वो अपलोड होगी. आई हैव स्केड्यूल्ड दैट. आई डोंट नो कि वो कब अपलोड होगी, बट आई हैव मेड वन शॉर्ट. सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब दैट चैनल. सब्सक्राइब दैट नहीं, सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, कि आपको इसमें जितने भी मैंने शॉर्ट्स बनाए हैं, जितनी भी वीडियोस आएंगी, वो सब आपको अपडेट मिल जाएगी. सो येस, फॉर द कॉन्टोर आई यूज दिस Forever 52 contour cream palette, and for the concealers I don't use this one. So now coming to the setting spray. First setting spray I have is this makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty, but I don't use this one for my clients. It has fragrance in it. I don't know कि कौन से client को fragrance से problem होगी और कौन से को नहीं होगी. So I don't use this one for my clients. I have NYX setting spray with me. I use this setting spray for my clients, and I have Urban Decay का setting spray. I use that setting spray as well for my clients. I will show you that also. And I have this one also. This is NYX Dewy setting spray, and this one is Max Dewy setting spray. And the last one I have is the Urban Decay का setting spray. Let me get it and I will show you. Okay, so this is how Urban Decay setting spray looks like, and I have makeup settings, MAC setting spray as well. This is MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus setting spray. I spray this before the makeup, in between the makeup and after the makeup as well, so that makeup can look flawless. और जब भी hydration चाहिए रहता है, I spray that. And for the strobe cream I have this MAC का strobe cream with me. This is MAC strobe cream Hydrant Luminex in the shade Pink Light. And then I have Swiss Beauty strobe cream. This is how it looks like, but I don't use this strobe cream for my clients. I don't use it. Like, I use it only for my personal use. और इसको भी लगाने के बाद I blend it with the beauty blender. You can imagine कि मैं strobe cream को beauty blender से blend करती हूँ बाद में, क्योंकि इसमें मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है, like I have used this one, तो इसमें मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि थोड़े से जो particles है ना, शाइन वाले particles, वो थोड़े से ज़्यादा हार्ड तो नहीं बोल सकते, बट इसमें थोड़ा सा कुछ है कि वी हैव टू ब्लेंड इट. सो येस, इसको लगाने के बाद में उसको फिर ब्लेंड करती हूँ ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से. ओके, सो दिस इज इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो, बट प्लीज टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल सो दैट you can get update for the upcoming videos. So today we have completed only the base products. Part 2 will come for the eye products, and the part 3 will come for the lip product and the tools. So if you guys want to get update for the upcoming videos, please do subscribe my channel. It will means the world to me. Yes, till then, see you. Bye bye. Bye. Like, share, comment and subscribe it.